Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to organize your Gmail if your email is overloaded. So let's get started. First of all, go to your Gmail app on your phone, then just click on this button. And if your email is overloaded, you can delete an important email on your Gmail. And for example, we can delete email that we got from promotion. So we can click on promotion option right here, and we can tap and hold on the Gmail like this. Then we're going to select all of the promotion Gmail, and we can delete it because I think it's not important for us, so we can delete it. We just need to click on delete button right here to delete the email. And we can also delete the email from the social. So we just need to delete it because I think it's not important as well. So just tap and hold on the email, then click on select all, and we can delete it. Then we can delete the email on the trash like this to overcome the overload email. So we can empty the trash now. Click on empty. Okay guys, and that's the way to overcome email overload on Gmail. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.